Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I finally got this journal finished. It took rather a while with Christmas and New Year and dogs and everything else. But finally here it is. It measures 6.5 by 9 and it's approximately 92 pages. I've made the cover with wallpaper and this other scrapbook paper I had in the house. So it's quite a chunky one. And it's only one signature. I really must try to do 2 signatures when I decide to do a chunky one. It always starts off, it's going to be a certain size and it ends up double that. So I've tied it with sari silk. And there's the cover, there's the front. I've had these little things in the house for years. So finally thought I better use some of them. And this is an Artymaze design in the front. And I've got some lace in the bottom. There's lots of fluff. Little bollies and lace. And little charms. Butterflies and hearts mainly. Made with love. They are there somewhere. Anyway, right, inside, Artymaze again. This is K&Co papers. I've got quite a lot of a mix this time. This is the note from the bookmaker from Jibid, Neary. Some French ephemera. I printed that on the A4 newsprint. This is from Mrs. Cogs, and there's room in the back for journaling. A game card. Now I'd be telling a lie if I said you that was from, but anyway, it's on my list of people who it's from, and there's room in the back to journal. And a little tag. I made this up on the laptop, so I can just print them off. So then I've got Tracey Fox's papers here, and I've been messing about with watercolours and tea dyes, and for some reason it's turned out sort of greeny, but it's quite nice. This did start off, it was going to be a sort of tone and tone, but I'm afraid the flowers crept in again. In here we've got a tag, one of Tracey's tags, and I've distress inked it, and I've cut out some flowers from Edith Holden. Ticket, I think that's from Artymaze. 2 little journaling cards, that's Mrs. Cogs, there's room in the back. Some little bits and pieces in this bottom tuck spot. I think they're all Artymaze. And they just tuck in there. Now I cut this out from pages from Mrs. Cog and just put them down onto the tea dyed paper. Some stenciling. This was lovely papers I found in Etsy from the torn page. She had William Morris and Voicey. I can't remember what one it is, but they're absolutely gorgeous, and I do like William Morris. And this is just tea dyed paper and some French ephemera tucked in the belly band. We've got a little ruffle down here. The eco dyed paper is from Tailor Made Designs. And this was from an Edith Holden book, and I've just put some lace and a die cut on there, some stickers, some more stickers, and a washi tape. And this is some French ephemera. some stenciling here. K&Co papers, more Tracey Fox. Little Tracey Fox tuck spot. Journaling card from Artymaze, room in the back. Tracey's one of them, and I've done some stenciling on it. A tag, and I've done some stenciling on the little pocket there, and there's a little little tag thing. I've made a little book in it, some book papers in it. And on here, some old ledger paper, and a couple of little journaling cards from Mrs. Cogs. And on here, we've got a little envelope, and I've put some little bits and pieces there, and I've stenciled it inside. Tea-dyed bag I got from Heidi McGregor. Another journaling card. More journaling space. Just a bit of odd paper that I find for journaling on. Oh, I've seen this little tuck. Artymaze made this little tuck in one of her videos, and I thought, I'm going to try that. So I did, and yeah, I really like it. And this is just a stencil tag, and a little sticker, butterfly. More eco-dyed paper. There's lots of journaling space. More stenciling, a sticker. There's a big check. Room in the back for journaling. More journaling space. And more journaling space. And there's another belly band with just some paper for journaling on. And this was from a nature book I got on eBay. And a room for journaling in that. And another tuck spot here. I put little birdies, a die cut with lace and what's that material called? I'll remember in a minute. One of Artymaze's designs again, and another tag I've put pieces on to cut bits out from Edith Holden. And we have a couple of little bits from Artymaze again. That's some of our freebies. More ledger paper. Another bit I cut out from Mrs. Cogs. And this is just a little corner tuck. And I've got a birdie out from Edith Holden. And that's a double tuck. Can't remember where that was from right now. And another little piece from Artymaze. Some more of that lovely eco-dyed paper from Tailor-Made Designs. And there's a little tuck here. And I've just used a little booklet from Artymaze to tuck in there. That can be used for journaling on. And oh, I had fun trying to do this. An envelope tuck thing. This is some of this paper from the torn page again. So there's room in the back for that. When I first made this, the tag wouldn't fit in it, so then I had to take the tag apart and chop it up again. But all a learning curve. Here we go, more stuff. I used one of Artymaze's postcards to make a tuck spot, and I think this is Artymaze as well, and a wee bit of lace down here, so I can tuck that in there, and that little clip, and in here we have more French ephemera for that lovely papers from the torn page, bingo card, doily. This is Mrs. Cogs. Yep, Edith Holden here, and it opens up. And then over here, I gessoed it and stained it, and then I put an image on it. And this was all part of the book. It was all part of that page, actually. I just thought, I'm just going to leave that in there because I quite like that. It's really nice. And then this is the other side of the signatures, and it's basically much the same, so I'll just flip through that. More French ephemera and cards for journaling on. Another, whatever you call these things, an envelope tuck. Big tag in there. Another double tuck with a little bluebird on it. Another little tuck with a little birdies. More tags. A belly band and more tea-dyed paper for journaling on, and another big card. Quite like how all this turned out with green when I tea-dyed it, and then I just gessoed on it to tone it down a little bit. There's the other side of the check. More stenciling and a dragonfly sticker. Another little ruffle. Other side of the tuck from Artymaze. A little butterfly and my tag. Paper bag, and it's got some little bits in it as well. Another envelope, and I've stenciled inside that as well. And some more little bits you can stencil on. Another tuck with a little booklet in it, and more tags. And another one of these from the Edith Holden book, whatever one it was. Was it cookery or gardening? And there's more stickers and washi tape. Some of that lovely eco-dyed paper again. Little ruffle. And belly band with tea-dyed paper and a card. There's another bit of cutout from Mrs. Cogs. More tags and journaling cards. And some little bits there tucked in. I think that's all Artymaze. Oh, and a butterfly. And in the back, another tuck, and we've got a poem in here, to a flower, a guest check, another bit of French ephemera, and I thought I'd pop that in as well. I got this in a bunch of flowers at Christmas, and it's got a packet of sweet pea seeds. And it's too windy up here for sweet pea seeds, so I'll just leave them with this. So I'll get this into my Etsy shop as soon as I can. I created an Etsy shop, so hopefully I'll maybe sell some journals, because I'm starting to get quite a collection now, and I think I've given as many away to friends as I can. So thank you for sharing with me. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Bye.